Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to tell you about Earth, interesting and amazing facts. So let's start. Number 1. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Yes, we all know thought that the Earth is not flat. But you may shock you to learn that it is not perfectly spherical. So according to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA points out Earth spins while gravity pushes towards the center and a centrifugal force perpendicular to Earth's axis pushes out. This results in a bit of a tilted shape, not a perfect sphere. Second, the circumference of Earth is 24,901 miles. Third, Earth has an uneven gravitational field. Fourth, Earth is a terrestrial planet. Fifth, melting glaciers have an impact on Earth's shape. Sixth, the planet is constantly spinning. 7. Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. 8. Earth's gravity is uneven too. 9. Earth's continents were once known as Rhoidina. 10. Pangaea come to be 250 million years ago. 11. The first ever Earth Day was instituted in 1970. 12. Asia is the largest continent. 13. 60% of Earth's population lives in Asia. 14. The driest place on Earth sits adjacent to the biggest water body. 15. NASA actually studies the Atacama deserts for insight of other planets. 16. Days of Earth are increasing. 17. Humans may weigh differently depending on where they stand. 18. Africa is the second largest continent. 19. The world's largest hot desert is in Africa. 20. Europe is the second smallest continent in size but third largest in population. 21. Antarctica is Earth's fifth largest continent. 22. The Antarctic ice cap contains 70% of Earth's fresh water. 23. About 90% of Earth's fresh water is locked in ice. 24. Antarctica is technically a desert. 25. Earth kinda sort has other moons. 26. The Amazon is Earth's biggest rainforest. 27. The deepest point on the ocean floor is 36,200 feet below sea level. 28. Earth has a type of recycled rock cycle. 29. Earth's lowest point, not covered by the ocean, is 8,382 feet below sea level. 30. The lowest point on land is the Dead Sea. 31. About 6,000 lightning strikes happen to Earth per minute. 32. Greenland is the Earth's largest island. 33. There are billions of people living on Earth. 34. Earth is approximately 93 billion miles away from the Sun. 35. It takes 8 minutes and 19 seconds for sunlight to reach us. 36. Earth may have actually had two moons at one point. 37. The largest living thing in the world is a fungus. 38. The oldest shark in the world is a Greenland shark. 39. Greenland has the lowest population of any country on Earth. 40. Earth used to be purple, apparently. 41. The moon may have been formed as a result of a collision. 42. One of Earth's coolest phenomena is the auroras. 43. Earth's magnetic north pole is moving northward. 44. Earth experiences a pole reversal every 200,000 to 300,000 years. According to nature, Earth pole reverse approximately. In fact, over the past 20 million years, our planet has settled into the pattern of a pole reversal about every 200,000 to 300,000 years, according to the general nature. 45. The most recent scheduled pole reversal actually has not happened. 46. All across the world, Earth is home to 8.7 million species. 47. The world's largest tree is the General Sherman. 48. The oldest tree in the world is almost 5,000 years old. 49. The Pacific Ocean contains more than half of Earth's free water. 50. The hottest place on Earth is Libya. 51. Mountain ranges were made by the Earth's shifting rocks. 52. The coldest temperature Earth has been ever seen come from Russia. 53. Glaciers are retreating, causing sea levels to rise. 54. The moon experiences moonquakes just as Earth experiences earthquakes. 55. We don't actually know what the tallest mountain on Earth is. 56. Some hikers have summited Everest without oxygen. 57. The Pacific Ocean is the Earth's largest ocean basin. The wettest place on the earth is Mawasram. 59. The most snowfall per year happens in Japan. 60. The world's largest living structures are coral reefs. 61. Oceans cover about 70% of Earth's surface. 62. However, humans have not even discovered all of Earth's oceans. 63. The largest earthquake of hit Earth occurred in Chile. 64. About 20% of the US is a coastline. 65. Stromboli volcano is the world's most active volcano. 66. Rocks have been known to walk at the racetrack Playa Death Valley. 67. One stroke of lightning heats the air to about 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. 68. Humans tend to live near the coastline. 69. Earth is actually sprinkled with cosmic dust. 70. The coldest place on Earth is in Antarctica. 71. There could be as much as 20 million tons of gold hidden in Earth's oceans. 72. There is also undissolved gold in the seafloor. 73. Earth is home to 3 deadly explosive lakes. 74. The world's longest mountain range is actually underwater. 75. Over the millions of years, sea levels have changed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more such videos.